Let's make today Sarson Da Saag with Brars Malai Paneer in it. For saag, I had rapini leaves and spinach. With that, I added fresh ginger, fresh garlic, as well green chilies, which is according to taste, and then it was pressure cooked for almost hour and a half. After that, I added makki the atta to it, which is very traditional, and it's also called allan. We have to add that in there so that it adds the thickness to the saag. Also, it will give a really nice flavor to it. We are going to do traditional kotna of saag. Kotna means I'm using this traditional one, so I can just go in and just do my saag like this. So it's like churning your saag. Today I'm using Brars grass-fed ghee in the pan for tadka of saag. Now I'm adding garlic, ginger and green chilies that I have pounded. This is the fresh paste. Onions. Some people use tomatoes in tadka as well for saag. Tomato is optional. If you really like tomato, you can add, but add only fresh tomatoes. Salt according to taste, red chili powder. Tadka is ready, and how do I know that? Because there's bubbles on the side of the ghee. The saag that we have done is ready to go in with the tadka. My saag is 90% ready. So right now I'm just cutting this Brars Malai Paneer. I like using Brars Malai Paneer because this paneer is softest paneer made with natural ingredients, no preservatives. It melts in mouth, and that is what I love. Cut the paneer in any shapes you like. I like the cube. So to my traditional saag, I am going to add Brars Malai Paneer today. A perfect white butter, white makhni from Brars that I'm going to add to my saag paneer. It reminds me of my childhood. Just plating now my sarson da saag, makki di roti, makhni, kyo, lot of kyo on top. Homemade gur, which is made with almonds, white makhni, some radish, homemade makki di roti, Lassi. This is our Vaisakhi special. I would like to wish everyone happy Vaisakhi. Vaisakhi diyan bahut bahut mubarak. Also from my team and Brars.